So I made some serious progress today. I got the final coat essentially on both the frame and the box and the drawers, and I redid the final coat on the surface plate. Got the surface plate all mounted. Now if you'll notice how this is mounted is I welded these two plates on both sides, and this has a slot mill in it, and the attachment bolts in here and sandwiches. So what that lets me do is use the hoist to simply lower this guy down onto here into these slots, and then I clamp it down. Now underneath here I have these 4 adjustment screws, and I have nuts, long nuts welded into these cross beams here. So this allows me to adjust the exact angle of the surface plate to line it up with the main welding plate that's going to go onto this area here. So I still need to braze these T-nuts on the back side of this thing. Actually, that's why I got this channel iron here, because I'm going to make little brackets to attach these guys. And then I can just lift that guy up somehow onto here and attach it. I still need to add a little bit of JB Weld or something to here, because when I was welding this I got a little bit of a twist. So I measured it. This side here is down about it's down about 75 thousandths or so. It's down probably about somewhere between about 50 to 75 thousandths. And I'm not happy with that level of twist. So what I will do is I will simply add some JB Weld onto here, and then I will lower the main plate and clamp that thing down and leave this nut free, and then the JB Weld will harden, and then I can clamp it down, and that should give me a completely twist-free surface. So I got the drawers all mounted in the box. I love the finish on this. I love the gloss of this Rust-Oleum, and there we go. We got a fairly decent drawer action, so that's what it looks like from here. There's the back side. I have shelves that I'm making to go into these slots there. Those are little brackets that I welded in for a pair of 4 shelves. And then I got another piece of 1/2-inch plate that I'm going to bolt up to here. And then, so we're pretty much getting there. I absolutely love the freaking color of this thing. This Gulf oil racing livery. I mean, yeah, this blue and the orange. Actually, technically that's pumpkin. Yeah, so this is actually technically spa. Yeah, this is spa blue Rust-Oleum, and this is pumpkin Rust-Oleum. Yeah, I am getting freaking happy here.